Hey everybody, how are you? I have two packages here. Both are from Sabrina Kaye, bargain shopper. If you don't know who she is, I'm going to link her below. I was in a swap on her page, so I'm sure that one of these are a swap and one of these are a wish. So I have a feeling that this one is the swap. It was a teeny tiny embellishment swap. I'm so excited. Oh, look it in the kitties. That looks like Toulouse. Okay, so this is the teeny tiny embellishment swap. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh, that's crocheted. How do I open it? Oh, wow. These were made by Rhonda. Aw, thank you, Rhonda. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute are these? This is adorable. And look at all this. Oh, these are little paper clips. Paper clips. Oh, and it looks like a little dress. And it clips on. Little paper clip. I meant to say clothespin. Char, see, you got me calling them paper clips. Oh, these are adorable. Look at that. Life and dream. You did such a great job on these. Oh, she cut up flowers to make these. Oh my gosh. These are one of the pick ones. I wanted to get into this. But look, she crocheted that also. I'm whispering like these are teeny tiny embellishments and I'm supposed to whisper. Okay. How stinking cute are these? There were three different swaps. Let's see. Oh, wow. How cute. This was made by Sharon Watts. I'll have to email her and say thank you. I love rosettes. I do. She made a rosette and she added a phone, a butterfly, and a bicycle. I think these are die cuts. And she popped them up on. Look at this. I love the paper too. Oh, how cute. And I love this bag. Oh, I'm like so excited. Oh, she included a pen that matches. Oh, how cute. All right, wait. Oh, this is like so much fun. Oh, there's stuff falling out of it. Oh, look at all the embellishments she gave. I'm going to put a... Oh, I like yellow and black. Oh, how stinking cute. Look at the butterflies. I'm dropping everything. And the flags. Oh my goodness, look at that. I wonder if that's a punch. Oh, wow. And itsy bitsy flowers. How cute are these? Oh, I love it. I'm going to put these back so that they don't fall off of my desk. How cute. Okay. Oh, I love the touch. Can you see the thread? What a great touch. And these are like beads. Oh, these are adorable. Who made these? Oh, she did a telephone. I love the telephone. Oh, how cute. And she included a list. Hi, I hope you like your swap I made for you. It was fun to make. I love the swap. Thank you. Let me know. This is from Angelique. Happy crafting. Look at that. Oh, how cute. That's such a cute addition. I think her YouTube channel is Pink. I don't know who it is. I'll find out and I'm going to add it into the link below. These are adorable. Love it. Alright, that was from the embellishment swap. That was so much fun to do. And then this here is from Sabrina. Look, I've never seen this. Never seen this. I had made a wish on, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting this. Was not expecting this. Oh, how stinking cute. Donna, just wanted to send you something. No reason, just thanks for all the kind words and support. Much love, Sabrina Kaye. Oh, Sabrina, you did an amazing job. Oh, girl. I have to tell you, these were my favorite stickers from the Dollar Tree. Look at what she sent me. She made them. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, she sent me glitter. I love glitter. I don't have any of this. The eyelash. I didn't have... Oh, and she sent me stamps. Look at those. Oh, and another gem. Very pretty, very pretty. And some stars. Oh my gosh. I got lace. Oh, how pretty is this? Oh, wow. This is great for embellishments. Oh, look at all this neat stuff and washi and bling. Oh, and look at those. Oh, these are adorable. These are almost like little pieces of chipboard. How did she do that? These are so stinking cute. Love them. Oh, and look at the little erasers. Oh, wait, and there's another gem. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at those. These are my favorites now. We should do a swap. Gem swap. Oh, look at, I don't have these either. These are the little coffee cups. Oh, that's pretty. I don't have my my agenda in front of me. Oh, I don't have these either. Look at how pretty those are. These brads. These are heavy duty. Oh my goodness. Love them. Oh, these are almost like foam. It says, thanks a latte. Coffee. Oh, I wanted these stickers so bad. Oh, I got new stickers. Thank you. I'm going to make myself cards tomorrow. Oh, and a heart. Look at those. Love that. All right, wait, there's 2 more compartments. And then I got some bling. Love this bling. Ooh, that's very pretty. Do you all see that? Oh, love this bling. I do, I really do. I'm gonna start adding these to my, oh, and so many stars. Look at all these stars. Oh, look at all those stars. Love those stars. Gotta make shakers. That's it. You girls giving me some work. Oh, these came out adorable. That's a pretty, can you see that one? Look how pretty they are. And I have to do my nails. Where? This came off of like a tablecloth or something, didn't it? What a neat idea. Oh, I love that. Sabrina, thank you so much. Love it, love it, love it. You are beyond sweet. Katie, love you too. All right, everybody. This was my embellishment swap and my special gift from Sabrina Kaye, the bargain shopper. All right, I will link everybody's channel below. Look at that, I got eyelash trim. All right, everybody, I'm feeling extremely blessed. I love our YouTube community. We definitely have a group of crafters that is just truly unselfish. And that's the word, unselfish. The support that we give each other, even if you don't have a channel and you're leaving us comments, do you know how much we appreciate you? We wouldn't be here if it weren't for you. All right, everybody, I love you all. Have a great night, and I will see you real soon. Bye.